Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up with pretty links on WordPress for link cloaking step by step clearly. To begin setting up pretty links on WordPress, navigate to your WordPress dashboard. Locate the plugins section on the left sidebar. Click on Add New to search for new plugins. In the search bar, type in Pretty Links. Once the search results appear, find the Pretty Links plugin. Click the Install Now button next to Pretty Links. After installation, click the Activate button to enable the plugin. Once activated, you'll see a new menu item labeled Pretty Links on the left sidebar. Click on Pretty Links to access the plugin interface. To create your first cloaked link, click on the Add New Link button. In the URL field, paste the long link you wish to cloak. In the Pretty Link field, enter a short, memorable slug for your new link. Optionally, adjust the link title to help you remember its purpose. You can also categorize your link if you wish to organize them later. Next, decide if you want to set up a redirect type. The default option is a 301 redirect, which is recommended for permanent links. Once you have configured the necessary fields, scroll down to the Settings section. Here, you can enable tracking options if you wish to monitor link performance. After reviewing all settings, click the Create button to finalize your cloaked link. Your new cloaked link will now appear in the Pretty Links dashboard. To share your cloaked link, simply copy the Pretty Link URL provided. You can now use this shortened link in your marketing materials. To edit or delete any cloaked links, return to the Pretty Links dashboard. Select the link you want to modify or remove. Make adjustments as needed and save your changes. Congratulations, you have successfully set up Pretty Links for link cloaking on WordPress. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.